shapes of monarans include cocci, which have a spherical shape, bacilli, which are rod-shaped, and spirilla, which are spiral-shaped. It may be hard to believe, but monarans are found just about everywhere. They're on this piece of rotting fruit. They're on your skin. And they're even living inside your body at this very moment. Fortunately, most bacteria are quite harmless. But some, such as Streptococcus bacteria, can give you a bad case of strep throat. Many different types of bacteria are used in making food. For example, a type of bacteria called acidophilus is used in making yogurt. Bacteria also play a very important role in decomposing once living things. And bacteria are intentionally used in wastewater treatment plants, such as this one, to help digest and eliminate waste products. What exactly are monarans? Monarans are microscopic organisms that consist of a single cell. Some monarans are so small there may be as many as several million in a teaspoon of soil. And there are millions, if not billions, of monarans or bacteria in your mouth. Bacteria, similar to cyanobacteria, are believed to have existed on Earth for at least 3.5 billion years and are thought to be the first living things to inhabit the planet. Fossilized remains of bacterial mats called stromatolites provide clues about these ancient organisms. Today, there are a wide variety of bacteria. Believe it or not, this large piece of kelp, this microscopic paramecium, and this microscopic diatom are all members of the kingdom Protista. The question, what is a protist, is not a simple one to answer. This is because protists vary widely in their shape, size, and form. Protists can be one-celled or many-celled. Protists do, however, have something in common. They're eukaryotic, meaning they have a nucleus and other structures in their cells, not found in prokaryotic cells. The kingdom Protista is divided into numerous different phyla, and the classification of these organisms changes periodically. While there are at least a dozen different phyla, we'll discuss protists that are animal-like, fungus-like, and plant-like.
move.
We appear to be stuck in some sticky threads.
The whole place is one big tangle. But look, you can see things moving inside.
We will just have to cut our way through.
Those threads are all leading to the surface.
Indeed they are. We have discovered one of the strangest life forms imaginable, a fungus composed of a tangled mass of threads that absorb nutrients from the decaying plant material. When enough threads are produced, they clump together and form the structure that allows the fungus to reproduce and spread its kind, a mushroom. The mushroom is a spore factory, producing spores by the millions. Carried on air currents, they will colonize new patches of forest floor and produce another tangle of white feeding threads that may grow for a year before producing the short-lived spore-producing mushroom.
While at first glance, you may think that fungi are plants, they're actually quite different from plants and are classified in an entirely separate kingdom, the fungi kingdom. Unlike plants, which produce their own food from the sun's energy, fungi are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are organisms that cannot make their own food. Fungi obtain the energy they need by growing on a source of food such as a dead tree. Fungi also possess several other characteristics that make them different from plants. Some fungi, such as yeast used in baking bread, are unicellular, while most fungi are multicellular. But fungi do not reach great sizes, as do many plants. There are over 100,000 known species of organisms in the fungi kingdom. And within this kingdom, there are 4 major divisions of fungi. While some fungi are responsible for causing diseases in humans, many fungi perform very important functions, such as decomposing dead plants and animals. Some fungi are also very useful in the creation of life-saving medicines.